All right, so from here, we've got our 6-pointed star drawn in. We're going to grab our straight edge and we're going to find the other 6 points, and we're going to do that using these intersection points here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so I usually start with the center, the straight across, the perpendicular. And if you are working, if your lines are precise, then these 2 points, you should be able to put your straight edge, connect these 2 points, and have it go straight through the center of the circle. So it's up to you if you want to draw that entire line, or if you just want to put a mark at the edge of the circle, because that's really what we're going for. Okay. So again, these 2 points should connect and go directly through the center of the circle there. Last one. Okay, and we're gonna call those, I need a different color, that purple's starting to die. Get another one, F, G. Okay, G, H, I, J, K, L. Now, if you're into making mandalas, however you say that, you can see there's all kind of cool patterns that start to emerge at different phases of this. So I've kind of played with all those different levels. But now we've got our 12 points, right? So what I was saying about the double Merkaba, if we wanted to do that, we would then connect G, I, K, well, G, I, K, G, to go back, boom, 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 and then H, J, L, back to H. And that would just shift, make another one of these Merkaba stars shifted this way. But remember, this would all be in pencil. We're not going for these. We're going for a 12-pointed star that has a more slender, I don't know what these are called, a stellation? I don't know what these are called, like the point part. We want it to be like the skinnier version, right? To create that ink drawing. So instead of connecting the points like I just said, I'm going to switch colors. I'm going to go to blue now that we have our 12 outer marks, and I'm going to make the 12-pointed star that I used for that ink drawing. So if we want to start with A, instead of doing the line straight across here, we're going to just shift over one. We're going to go AI, or IA if we like that better. GB. A little trick for getting your line placement and your ruler placement. One thing that you can do, which I'm kind of not doing with these markers because they bleed when you hold it down for a long time. If you get your pencil point on the precise mark at one end, then you can just slide your ruler up to it, hold it there, and then just kind of rotate it to the other point. If you want to check, make sure, put your point down here, make sure it's hitting the right spot. But that's just a little way to get your straight edge properly positioned. Okay, CJ. HF. EK. ID. LB. AJ. GF. CK. HD. EL. I think that's the last one. Okay. All right, we have done it. So you can see how, why I use pencil for this, start erasing some of these lines. It gets a little busy. But hopefully you can see, if you look at maybe these like GL, the ones that don't also have the purple larger angle, 60-degree angle triangles, you can see the points on this star are much more slender than this one. And so this shape of 12-pointed star is, to me, I believe, what was the base for the Alaria-Rashatan code, which was my inspiration for that ink drawing. It's not identical to it, but you know, I was the proportions of that code that I was mimicking. So there we have it. That's our 12-pointed star. Let me know what questions you have. And next we will start talking about how to go from this to that ink drawing, where to put our circles.